Yo, peace, peace, peace. It's Filet. Good morning, good morning. I was at the laundromat the other day and I had some good luck making a beat. I just want to play a little bit for you guys. Pretty dope. Just wanted to share that this morning. Couple things. I'm going to be putting together my next beat tape in the next week here, dropping it the first week in October. I have 2 beat tapes that I dropped in the last month or two. This week, volume 1, WON, and this week, 1-2. You could look those up on my Bandcamp. I'll put a link in the bottom. Just want to start sharing more and showing my process. I have an album in the works that I did all the beats on my phone on the iMPC Pro 2 and Koala, and combination of the two. And I'm start to do a little series on how I pulled that off. Alright, yo. It's Filet, beat making MC. Hope you guys have a great day. Make some beats. Leave a comment. Subscribe. Have a great day.